Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is very important for the graduates and freshers batch because on the Tech Geek platform there is a news that is related to Cognizant that over 1 lakh opening in Cognizant for tech freshers. You can apply now for this opportunity. I will also share link with all of you, but this is only for the graduates batch hiring. But in this video we discuss about that when Cognizant hire 2022 batch officially and for which role, only programmer analyst role hiring or any other role hiring, 45,000 freshers hiring in 2022. So let's start the video. Okay, so as you can see on my screen that over 1 lakh opening in Cognizant for tech freshers, apply now. Okay, so the Cognizant will hire approximately 30,000 new graduates in 21 and make 45,000 offer to new graduates in India for 2022. Okay, so this is the very good news from the Cognizant team. But how you can apply for this opportunity? There is a link that career at Cognizant. Okay, you can search for keywords like search for location, and there are so many job updates as you can see on my screen that it needs some experience. But if you are a student or early career, professional or executive, so there are the three types of jobs on the Cognizant career officially careers platform. Okay, so as you can click on the student and careers level, so there are three type of category. Entry level early career means if you are recently graduated or if you are graduated, so you can apply. Masters level, you are undergraduate, so you can apply in this category. Okay, so there are the some of the opportunities that are for the undergraduates role, like if you this is the role for the process executive data. Okay, they just say that if you are graduate, postgraduate medical sciences, so you can apply for this opportunity. Okay, so there are so many roles in this present. Okay, if your degree is matches with them and experience is matches with them, so you can apply for this opportunity. Okay, so this is all about the Cognizant 1 lakh opening on the official platform. Okay, there are the three type of categories. Okay, as I already said that undergraduate, masters level, and you can just go to this website and choose according to your experiences and degree. Before moving on to the 2022 batch point, there is a very good platform that known as Relevel. You can get your dream job in 15 days, and previously Relevel just updated so many platform. Okay, means so many courses or so many just test on that platform. But there are the three type of test, as we know that business, front end and back end. But there are two type of new tests are also on the Relevel: business analytic test and data analytics, and package is more than 20 LPA plus. Okay, you can just choose that business analytics test, and there are so many MNCs that you can apply to 150 plus business analytics jobs with the CTC starting from 6 LPA. Book your free slot. Okay, test structure is total marks is 1000. Phase 1, phase 2, all the points are there, like back to basics, structured querying test, analytical tools test, business case, phase the interview. What is eligibility criteria? 18 plus age, laptop, desktop, browser. You can just download the browser from here. Okay, so this is the data analytics test. You can also just select 6 plus LPA is the salary. Okay, and there are the so many popular tests on the Relevel platform. Okay, how Relevel platform are work? You can register for this test, take this test, interview with employers, accept the offer, and India's finest company hire on Relevel. Point is just related that when Cognizant hire 2022 batch and for which role. Okay, so I just take the previous trend from the 2021 batch. Okay, this is the 2020, 19, 2020 and 21 graduates hiring from the Cognizant, and as you can see that application deadline is 24th October and designation is PAT Gen Z developer off campus hiring. Okay, this is not for the 2022. This is just I take some point that is related. So what is estimated package? Like 4 LPA to 4.5 LPA. Okay, so one important point, Cognizant also hire for the Gen Z developer role and other role another than the programmer analyst role. if you are graduated, like something Cognizant will be higher, mostly will be higher after your graduation or before your graduation also, but it totally depend on the Cognizant team when they officially hire for the 2022 batch. Estimated, as you can see on my screen, they are also hiring for the Gen Z developer as well as the programmer analyst role. So there are so many websites like Face Prep and Geeks for Geeks. You can start your preparation from them. And already Cognizant just mentioned in the news that 45,000 freshers hiring in the 2022. Okay, so when any notification from the Cognizant that is related to 2022 batch, surely I will inform all of you. But you can also check regularly on the Superset platform. Okay, because on the Superset platform off campus opportunities are updating. Okay, and if there is any update, surely I will inform all of you. Okay, and if there is any internship in the Cognizant, you can also join that, there is no problem. So I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any doubt, you can drop your query in the comment section. If you find good content, please like and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.